Hello, children. A warm welcome to all of you. Today, we will be reading The Bangle Seller's Poetry by Sarojini Naidu. We will discuss about the poetess Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. She was born as Sarojini Chattopadhyay in the year 1879. She died in 1949. She was an Indian political activist and poet. Naidu's visceral use of rich sensory images in her writing was well appreciated by her critics as well as her readers. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Her work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India. She composed poetry in which swift thoughts and strong emotions sprang into lyrics by themselves. She has given expression to the joys as well as to the sorrows of life. She was sensitive to the beauty of living things. Her poetry includes children's poems, nature poems, patriotic poems, and poems of love and death. Now, this Bangle Sellers, this is a poetry where we come across different stages in a traditional Indian woman's life and the different bangles associated with them. Now, what do I mean by different stages? A woman's life is divided into three different stages. The first one is a maiden, and the color of the bangles is different with what a bride wears, and the color of the bangles of the maiden represents her innocence and her dreams. The color of the bangles a bride wears represents her hopes, dreams, promises, and aspirations. A matriarch means a mother, a middle-aged woman. The bangles express, shows her experience, duties, and her pride. The poem, The Bangle Sellers, is a folk song that celebrates the values and virtues of Indian womanhood with the help of a string of images associated with different colors of bangles. The bangles are not just any ornament to be worn, but a symbolic representation of the various stages in the life of a typical Indian woman. The setting of the poem is traditional Indian society, probably the colonial era. The rhyme pattern in each stanza is AA, BB, CC. The nature of the poem is a simple lyrical poem. Now, lyrical poem means the poetry which we can sing. It is written in the style of a folk song that glorifies the ideal Indian woman. I will read the poetry for you. Bangle sellers are who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light? Lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the bloods that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on her bridal morn. Some like the flame of her marriage fire, or rich with the hue of her heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender, and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. Some are purple and gold flecked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hand have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast, and serves her household in fruitful pride, and worships the gods at her husband's side. I will explain you paragraph by paragraph. See the first para. The poem is written from the perspective of the bangle sellers. Now, these bangle sellers carry the shining bangles to the temple fair to sell them. Now, why do they carry the bangles to the temple fair? Because in rural areas, fair is the place where women assemble. They will buy the bangles. The bangle sellers can have a good business over there. He can find more customers. He takes the shining bangles to the temple fair to sell them. They invite people to come and buy delicate, bright, and rainbow colored bangles from him. The multicolored bangles are symbolic of radiant lives, of happy daughters and happy wives. You can see the word shining loads. Shining loads means the glass bangles which the bangle seller is carrying to the village fair. And whom he will sell that? He will sell it to the happy daughters and happy wives. Here the bangles are described as delicate, bright, and rainbow tinted circles of light. You can see rainbow tinted circles of light is a metaphor. I have already described what is a metaphor in my previous videos. You can check in my channel from the playlist. Second paragraph. Here we see the color scheme of the maidens. In the second stanza, the bangle sellers give an account of the bangles suitable for a maiden's wrist. He says that silver and blue colored bangles, which are like the color of the mist of a mountain, will suit her. Here silver and blue is the symbol of purity, innocence, virginity. This suggests the blooming beauty of her growing age. Some of the bangles have colors like the buds that are going to bloom on a woodland stream. Pink, these are the colors of the blooming buds, while some are like the glowing flowers or the clear dewdrops on newborn leaves, that is pink and green. These signify purity, freshness, and a dream-like state. All these colorful, mist-like, bud-like, and flower-like bangles are suitable for unmarried girls. Third stanza. Here we come across the color scheme for the brides. In this stanza, the bangle sellers describe the bangles suitable for a bride on her bridal morning. Some of these bangles are yellow, like the fields of corn, while some are like reddish yellow flame of marriage. Not only this, even the bangles rich with the color of her heart's desire, that is red, will fit her. These bangles are as tinkling, shining, tender, and clear as the happiness and sorrow that a bride experiences. Now, what is the happiness? That a bride is going to enter a new life. And what is the sadness? That she is going to leave her parents' place and entering into a new house. So she is happy, that's symbolized by laughter, and also bridal tear because she is sad leaving her parents' house. These colors, yellow, orange, and red, signifies hopes, promises, and passion of a bride. The fourth para. Here we see the color scheme for the matriarch, that is a mother or a middle-aged lady. Now what are the colors? The purple and gold colored bangles are most suitable for a middle-aged woman. They signify her duties, responsibilities, and pride in rearing children, loving them, administering a household, and her loyalty and companionship towards her husband. It also signifies her experience. These bangles, the purple and the gold colored bangles, are suitable for a mother who has cherished, loved, blessed, and cradled her sons, and for a wife who takes care of her household and sits at her husband's side while worshipping. I hope you have liked the video. I will deal with the detailed analysis and the figures of speech of the same poetry in my next upcoming video. Please like my channel, share and subscribe, and keep on watching for latest updates. Thank you. God bless you.